This is a certified pre-owned 2008 Buick LaCrosse. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.8-liter V6. Its top features and packages include the appearance package, a navigation system, a sunroof, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 26,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. This Buick has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.